To check if your account was hacked on a Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to look for security and privacy, and then if we enter account security, we can either check our Samsung account security and Google account security. They are very similar, so we're gonna go for a Google account that I have logged in right here, and then we can check our devices that we signed into. So recent security activity should show us activity from last 28 days, and then you can see exactly on what device or when you were logged in to something. So for example, as you can see, on 4th September I was signed in on Windows. So if you didn't log in on that specific day or on that specific device, or you're either also not sure, click on see on familiar devices and change your password right here. You will also be able to remove any devices that were logged in to your account. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.